Insta360 recently released an upgraded version of the previous One R, which is known as One RS. This action camera features a new battery system, an upgraded lens, a larger sensor, and stability for improved image quality along with better functionality. However, the Insta360 One RS is not the only action camera that delivers outstanding performance. When you think about action cams, GoPro and DJI Action seem to be the undisputed leaders. So, in today's video, we will be showing you if the Insta360 One RS is good enough to battle with GoPro Hero 10 and DJI Action 2 for the best action camera title. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Starting with the design, the Insta360 One RS comes in the same modular design as its predecessor. The base block is the battery part that firmly holds the camera and sensor block together, which gives you the vibe of putting together Legos. It's also equipped with the tiniest display compared to Hero 10 and Action 2 with a great looking color gamut. On the other side, the GoPro Hero 10 comes in a square-shaped design as Hero 9 with the full color screen alongside the lens. It also features another tiny screen at the front, which helps you to see yourself perfectly while vlogging. However, the GoPro Hero 10 does not offer any modular system, but it lets you add some mods to make it into an on-the-move creative studio. Now, let's talk about the DJI Action 2, a completely different action camera compared to Insta360 One RS and GoPro Hero 10. It comes with a fully modular design, which makes it more versatile to make your content unique. Besides, you can use Action 2's main unit on its own because it has a built-in battery. You can even attach an external battery if you need more power on a front display module with the main unit using magnets and a clip. About the build quality, the Insta360 One RS comes in a waterproof housing, which allows it to survive underwater in depths of up to 16 feet. Compared to Hero 10 and Action 2, this number falls far behind. Overall, we can say all three action cameras ensure great quality design and portability to be a perfect companion for your adventure. Now, let's talk about the camera, the topic you're most interested in. So, the newest Insta360 One RS comes with a half-inch sensor, whereas the Hero 10 has a 1x2.3-inch and Action 2 has a 1x1.7-inch sensor. Action 2 has around 35% larger sensor than the One RS and Hero 10. Obviously, a larger sensor means a higher chance of producing better quality low-light footage. However, the Insta360 One RS comes with the 48-megapixel boost lens, which allows you to get 4K footage at 60 FPS and detailed photos. It also supports 6K widescreen mode that gives you wider footage in crisp quality. Besides, the 5.7K 360 lens captures the action from all angles. You can also get buttery smooth image stabilization no matter what lens you use, all thanks to its flow state stabilization and horizon lock. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 10 has a 23-megapixel camera that is able to shoot footage at up to 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS. To deliver you smooth and stable footage, the Hero 10 comes with the upgraded Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. Similarly, the DJI Action 2 comes with a 12-megapixel camera which provides 4K videos at 120 FPS. For slow-motion shots, Action 2 can capture 4K videos at 120 FPS. And, with the help of Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady, it can shoot stable photos as well as videos. So, if you're looking for a higher resolution action camera for better image quality, then you can go for the latest Insta360 One RS. But that does not mean the Hero 10 and Action 2 offer poor quality, as they're also powerful enough to deliver you the performance for the absolute best footage. About battery capacity, the Insta360 One RS is equipped with a 1445 mAh battery, which takes 60 minutes to get fully charged and delivers you around 80 minutes of runtime. On the other side, the GoPro Hero 10 comes with a 1720 mAh battery and the DJI Action 2 comes with a 580 mAh battery. However, the Hero 10 lasts around 2 hours when you're shooting at 1080p and it slightly goes down when you move to 4K resolution. Whereas the DJI Action 2 delivers around 50 minutes at 4K mode and goes up to 70 minutes at 1080p mode. You can even add an extra battery module to extend Action 2's battery life, but that'll cost you more. So it seems like the GoPro Hero 10 wins this round. Coming to the price tag, the Insta360 One RS 4K costs around $299.99. And the Twin Edition is for $549.99. On the other side, you can get the GoPro Hero 10 at $349.98 with 1-year GoPro subscription, whereas the DJI Action 2 Power Combo comes at $399, and the Dual Screen Combo comes at $519. Thinking about the overall performance and camera quality compared to Hero 10 and Action 2, we can assure you that the Insta360 One RS is worth buying for the price. All being said, the upgraded Insta360 One RS comes with better camera resolution and outstanding stability than the GoPro Hero 10 and DJI Action 2. And even with all the upgrades, it features a lower price tag compared to the two other action cams. So, if you want more battery life for extended shooting, you can go for GoPro Hero 10. And for detailed low-light footage, the Action 2 should mostly be the choice. More or less, all three cameras serve almost the same purposes, each being unique and best in class. So what do you think? Which one is perfect for you? Let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.